blind wife because it only focuses on what is good and what is good. Try to look back your lives. Why did you accept each other? Why did you entrust yourself to one another? Because you see goodness and truthfulness in each other.
Ikaw lang patutunguhan at sa aking pagdating sa'yo ko lang sasabihin.
By the way, I'm Naki, and I'm actually residing in Manila together with my wife. So we just decided to have a renewal vows in in our province. This is in Bacolod.
Hi, I am Hazel Ann Tan Lo, the wife of Naki Lo. So nagkakilala kami ni Naki when we were in college. Nagkita kami kung saang university ako nag-aral, and it so happened that my friend and his friend are cousins, so we have a connection, and then that starts off our love story.
Di mawawala kapay ang kalawakan.
Well, aside from being beautiful, that's inside and out. She was actually very responsible and very how should I say it, masipag. And yeah, that's what I like her the most, being responsible and at the same time God-fearing.
Okay, what I like about my husband is he's very caring, a very hands-on dad, as well as he is a good provider.
Hazel Ann, do you renew your commitment 10 years ago
I do.
to be the loving wife to your husband and to your children?
I do.
Do you continue to give yourself to him as his wife?
I do.
Do you continue to accept him as your lawful husband?
I do.
Nothing. Do you renew your commitment to Hazel Ann as her husband and a father to your two children?
I do.
Do you continue to give yourself to her as her husband?
I do.
Do you continue to accept her as your lawful wife?
I do.
Ikaw lang patutunguhan saan man maglayag. 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 Ikaw lang patutunguhan sa aking pagdating sa'yo ko lang sasabihin.
To my baby, now my wife, happy 213 months with you and 10 years as a married couple. I just want to say thank you for everything you've done for our family. We had our ups and downs, but here we are still together and strong. I don't have a long vow to give. All I can promise you is to stay by your side forever. One day our kids will grow up and have families of their own, but I will always choose you. I may not be the sweet, unlike my diabetes, But I'm like maintenance medicine, always here, always with you. I may not able to give you the LRT or MRT. Hindi po ito train sa Manila, but I can give you MRT, moments, memories, reminiscing together, and LRT, love, reminiscing together.
So from calling you baby to hubby, to dada, and sometimes dude, every names I've given you holds a chapter of our story. 17 years ago, we chose each other, and for 10 years, you have been my husband, my partner, and my home. You are a devoted provider and a proud spoiler of our two beautiful daughters. The love you give them is steady, protective, and unconditional. Watching you to be their father reminds me every day of the kind of man you are. You are a sensitive, sometimes moody, but always caring. You feel deeply, and that is one of your greatest strengths. You challenge me, ground me, and remind me to see things differently. You are my best friend and my critic, and the one who knows me well enough to tell me the truth and loves me enough to stay. Today, I vow to keep choosing you on easy days and the hard ones. I promise patience when the moods come, understanding when the words fall short, and loyalty in every season. I will walk beside you, protect what we've built, and love you fiercely for exactly who you are.
Today marks our 10th year as a married couple. Love you so much forever, my baby, my wife. God will always be the center of our relationship as we continue our journey together every day. Thank you, and I love you.
Sa dinami-rami ng mga tao, sa
You are my forever, my constant, and my greatest blessing. I love you.
sa nilawak-lawak ng mundo,
Mahaba na yan.
nahanap kita. Sa dinami-rami ng habang buhay, sa dinami-rami ng hinaharap, sa dinami